The reason why people use constants in Python is to have a piece of data that is used across multiple different calculations, but if need to be edited, then they can edit it from a single access point in the code. Constants are usually placed towards the beginning of the code in a piece of Python or other code language, and they are usually put in all caps to show that they will not change, as opposed to variables which are put in lowercase or in some other form of casing to show that they might be changed in the future or by input. I'm going to show off constants and why we use them by taking two numbers and showing how they interact with each other on dividing, adding, subtracting, and timesing respectively. We're going to use constants for this because instead of editing 4 calculations with two numbers, we just need to edit 2 constants with 2 numbers instead. They're going to be named base number and other number respectively. Now I'm going to edit all 4 calculations at once by changing the other number from 4 into 2. I'll now show off constants again by changing the base number 8 to base number 16. Anyway, that is why we use constants in Python and other coding languages. Gotta remember, keep them towards the beginning of the code, keep them in full capital letters to show that they are a constant, and do not change them or use them like a variable in order to keep your code clean and to keep it usable and to keep it concise and easily changeable for yourself and others when they need to edit it. Thank you. I do hope you learned something. Please have a good day or good night.